Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question that a lot of you might be thinking about. Should I buy a $1,200, $200 pre-built PC, or should I try building something myself? Let's dive into it and figure out which option is right for you. So let's break this down. There are two main options here: buying a pre-built PC or building your own. Let's start by understanding what each option entails. Option 1, buy a $1,200 pre-built PC. Buying a pre-built PC is all about convenience. You're essentially purchasing a ready-to-go machine that someone else has already assembled and tested for you. Think of it like buying a car. No assembly required. No need to worry. Saves time. You don't have to spend hours sourcing components or soldering. Pre-built PCs often come with a warranty, so if something goes wrong, you're covered. You might even get a better deal on the pre-built compared to buying individual parts, depending on the retailer. Cons: customization is limited. You're stuck with what the builder gave you. Upgrading components later can be tricky or expensive. So, if you value convenience and don't want to mess around with building your own PC, a pre-built might be the way to go. Option 2, build your own PC now. Let's talk about building your own PC. This option is all about hands-on experience and customization. If you're into DIY projects, or you're looking to learn more about how computers work, this could be a great choice for you. Points to consider: pros: you can build exactly what you want. Perfect for gamers, creators, or anyone with specific needs. In the long run, building your own PC can save money compared to buying pre-built, especially if you source parts wisely. It's a fun and rewarding project. Cons: time-consuming. You'll need to spend hours researching components, soldering, and assembling everything. Requires some technical skills. If you're new to building PCs, expect to do some learning along the way. Building your own PC isn't like building a custom car, tailored to your needs, but it takes effort and time. Comparison: should I buy or build? So which option is better? Well, it depends on what you value most. Let's break it down into three key factors: cost, convenience, and customization. Cost: a pre-built PC might seem expensive up front, but when you compare it to the cost of buying individual parts, plus potential shipping fees, it could be a better deal. If you're building your own PC, budget carefully. Look for deals on components or consider buying used parts to save money. Convenience: pre-built wins here hands down. No need to worry about. Sourcing parts or troubleshooting assembly issues. Building takes time and effort, but it's worth it if you want the satisfaction of creating something from scratch. Customization: if you're all about customization, whether for gaming, streaming, or content creation, a DIY build is the way to go. You can tweak every component to suit your needs perfectly. With a pre-built PC, you're limited to what the builder has already included. Who should buy pre-built? If you're short on time and want something reliable and ready to use, if you don't mind paying a bit more for convenience, if you're not confident in your technical skills or willingness to troubleshoot issues, who should build themselves? If you're excited about the learning experience and want to dive deep into PC building, if you have specific needs that can't be met by a pre-built machine, if you're looking to save money long term and don't mind putting in the work, final thoughts. So, should you buy a $1,200 pre-built PC or build your own? The answer depends on what matters most to you. If convenience and reliability are top priorities, go for the pre-built. But if you're excited about customization, saving money, and learning new skills, building your own might be the better choice. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here, just different paths to the same goal: getting a powerful PC that works for you. Now, if you're still on the fence, I recommend doing some research. Look up build guides online. Look up build guides online. Check out prices for parts and see what options are available for pre-built PCs in your budget. The more informed you are, the better decision you'll make. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new content. Let me know in the comments which option you're leaning toward, pre-built or DI, and why. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, drop more questions like these so I can make more videos.